Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a Target haul of all cleaning products. So some of these are like staple items that I always buy, and then some items are new that I'm gonna be trying for the first time. I'm gonna test all the new stuff on camera so that you can see it. We'll see if it's any good together. I picked up the new Swiffer Power Mop. Looks really cool. I just whacked myself in the head. The mop itself reminds me of like that one part of the car wash where it like mops your car. So let's take it downstairs and test it out. So the box comes with everything that you're going to use. It was a little challenging to get it out of the box. Comes with the solution. This is the multi-purpose, multi-floor one. And it comes with 2 batteries. It also comes with 2 mop pads, which at first glance, not super impressed with. Kind of seems a little flimsy. Not very uniform. I don't know. I prefer something washable. So testing it out here, giving it a couple of squirts. I will say that the solution smells great. Didn't leave any residue or anything like that on the floor. And I'll show you here in a minute how well it did clean. My floors were already pretty clean to start with, so you can see how much dirt it did actually pick up. I do just wish that these pads were a little bit more reusable and not so wasteful, but really like the product. Next up here is probably one of my favorite InWash scent boosters that I have tried thus far. So this is the Downy Light, and it is the white lavender scent. Love this. I always have this stocked up in my laundry room. It just makes the laundry smell really, really nice without like having a chemical scent that's super overpowering. So you do half a cap to start, and you always want to make sure that you're putting this in the washer before you put your clothes in. That's the trick. And again, it's not an overwhelming scent at all. It's really nice, really soft and gentle. I love using this stuff. So let's give it a quick refill. I always keep it in this little glass jar. It's just aesthetically pleasing and just works great. So I'll show you exactly how I use this product in a second here. And it comes with a little scoop that I love. So I just take like 1 scoop, maybe 2 scoops, 2 laundry pods, put in the load of laundry. You always want to do that first. And then I go ahead and I wash it as usual. So I got a couple new shower and tub cleaners. I got the Lysol mold and mildew remover with bleach. This works really well. I've used this in the past. I thought this one was going to be scented. That's why I got it. For some reason, I thought it had a lavender scent. I was all excited, but it kills black mold. And let me look at the claims here. I believe that it kills black mold and mildew in 5 minutes. So you have to leave it completely saturated on the area for 5 minutes in order for it to kill the mold and the mildew, but to disinfect and sanitize hard surfaces, it's 30 seconds. And then for black mold, you're gonna need to leave it on for the full 10 minutes, saturated wet, to make sure that it kills all of the black mold. So I've tried the natural cleaners, and you need the bleach sometimes. You need the strong stuff, in my opinion, and that's what I use. Quick before shot, you can see all of the mold and mildew that has built up on my shower pan. Really disgusting. I'm going to be taking my electric scrub brush. I'm going to use this soft one here for the quartz. It works really, really well for that. And that is the little adjustable head. It comes with all different kinds of attachments. We're going to be taking the Lysol mold and mildew remover, spraying it on there. I'm going to let it soak for that full 10 minutes, let it really get in there, do what it needs to do. You can hear the little power there, and I'm going to give it a really good scrub. I like this attachment because it's not going to scratch the surface of the stone whatsoever. It's really, really gentle. I don't love using harsh cleaners on the quartz, but sometimes you have to. So on the side there, that is just regular tile, works great for that. And I'm just going and rinsing it off with some hot water, and oh my gosh, what a difference. I would say it's an 8 out of 10. The natural stuff is not getting my shower white. It's not killing all the mold. It's not getting in there and doing what I needed to. I also picked up this scrubbing bubbles. This is the Mega Shower Foamer. Removes 100% of lime scale and soap scum. We'll see. It says it removes calcium, lime, dirt, and grime. I have not tried this yet. I'm gonna try it probably on my shower glass because I think that's where we'll be able to test it the best. So I'm very excited to try this product out as well in my shower. Here we go. We're going to test it on my dirty shower glass. So I'm going to go ahead and saturate it, let it really foam up, completely coat it, let it sit here for a few minutes, and I'm going to be going in with the soft scrubber attachment. Look at this. It's like the car wash. I love it. This makes cleaning fun. I will link this down below in case you want to check it out. It's just amazing. It makes cleaning fun. Anyway, this works great. Super happy with it. Give it a 9 out of 10. So normally I just clean my electronic devices with, I'll put like a little alcohol on a rag or even like a baby wipe sometimes. I saw these are the Windex Streak-Free Shine electronic wipes. So these are specifically formulated for things like cell phones, computers, and game stations, television, remote controls, cell phones, and much more. We're gonna give these a test and see if they're worth splurging and spending the extra money. And it comes in a pack of 25 pre-moistened wipes. Great scent, kind of like a citrusy scent. Works great, super easy, nice and convenient. I mean, how can you not love it? It's like a baby wipe, but a phone cleaner, iPad cleaner, remote cleaner, whatnot. I think it's worth it. Would definitely use it and buy it again. No streaks, perfect. Next up, this has been a favorite of mine since it launched, I think, like a year or two ago. So these are the bleach packs. Zero splash. I love using these in the washer. I'll use it to just clean my washer. I'll use it with towels, rags, whatever. It's just so much easier than pouring the bleach in my opinion. You can also toss these in like your toilet bowl and your toilet tank. Really good for cleaning there as well. Let me see what else it says. You can use it for sinks. You can put it into the sink and let it fully dissolve. And then obviously you're gonna wanna rinse the sink thoroughly after using. It's great for bleachable fabrics and all hard, non-porous surfaces. Comes in a little pack of 12. I always have these on hand in my laundry room. Super straightforward to use. Looks like a little dish pod that you would put in your dishwasher. So I put my whites in, toss the little pot in, wash as normal, and it's just great. It makes life easier. Try them out. Next up is something I always keep, and this is disinfectant spray. This is Lysol brand, and the fragrance is Early Morning Breeze. I normally just go with the traditional, but I saw this scent and I was just feeling like I wanted something with scent. You always need some Lysol spray. I love using this, of course, in the bathroom if it stinks. And then also like on pillows, throw pillows, stuff like that where you just want to get a good cleansing. I like just spraying down door handles, remote controls, things like that. I always spray it in my garbage can. In between changing my garbage bag, just gets that funk out, kills those germs. Even your outdoor garbage can, really good for that. And then also on like sofas and mattresses. Lastly, I have the Cascade dishwasher pods. I have tried the store brand. Nothing cleans the way these do. I don't want to have to run it twice. I want to run it once and have it be done. So I like this specific kind because it has a really fresh, nice lemon scent, and it comes in all different sizes. So this is just the 36 pack, but with this, I find that I don't have to like put the dish aid in, the rinse aid. I'll put it up on the screen. I forget what it's called. Does a really good job at washing dishes thoroughly the first time. They come out shiny, they come out streak-free. Love them. So that was everything for today's cleaning haul. This one was a little different. If you like this, I will do more of them where I buy a new cleaning product and I test it out. I think that would be really fun to do. So let me know down below in the comments if you like this kind of video and if you want me to test out more cleaning products, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.